Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Intan Akila binti Sapawi under Supervisor Dr. Sia Yin Ye. Today I would like to present my final year project with title Species Identification and Morphological Characteristics of Family Cyanidae in Marang, Terengganu, Malaysia. Cyanids are commonly known as croaker or drums and known as glamour in Malaysia. There are 66 genera and 299 species of family Cyanidae worldwide. Landing amount in Malaysia are about 38,178 metric tons in 2017. Problem description for this project is there are lack of studies and information about species identification and morphological characteristics of this family in Marang, Terengganu. This family also difficult to identify and misidentification of species. For example, Nibia soldado was misidentified with Nibia chui. Objective for this project is to identify the species of family Cyanidae in Marang, Terengganu and to determine the meristic and morphometric parameters on the species of family Cyanidae. The project was successful by using this methodology by Motomura and Ishikawa. Firstly, sampling, rinsing, sorting, and prefixation by 100% formalin. And then photographing, assigning tag, and fixation by using 10% formalin for 2 weeks. Then storage at 70% ethanol. Species identification by using FAO, Fishes of Terengganu, and Fishes of Malaysia. Measure morphometric measurement, and lastly data analysis by using PCE. Finding for this project is total 70 individual of different species of Cyanidae had been caught in Marang, Terengganu on December 2019 until February 2020. 9 species of 6 genera shown in table 1.0. This is species that was being collected. All standardized data of morphological measurement was analyzed by using PCA under PAS3 software. There were 4 of 23 variable measure contribute the higher to PC1 and PC2. Highest loading PC1 is second ana spine and body depth. Highest loading for PC2 is interorbital width and snout length. From this scatter plot, we can see that Nibia soldado had the longest second ana spine and high body depth among the species, followed by Dendrophisa russelli and Nibia semifasciata. Penahia anea had short and slender of second spine and low body depth. Autole ruber and Protonibia diacanthus had short snout length and interorbital among other species. For genus Jonius, we can see that genus Amblicephalus had the long snout length and large interorbital width compared to genus Heterolepis and genus Bornensis. We can see that there are little overlap between 2 species, which is Heterolepis and Penahia anea. There were 3 species, which is genus Heterolepis, genus Bornensis, and Protonibia diacanthus that not be recorded in Terengganu waters. Overlap between 2 species, which is genus Heterolepis and genus and Penahia anea. Both of species had the nearest measurement of second ana spine. The species easily to differentiate because both of their external morphological is quite different. In this study, I also misidentified genus Heterolepis with genus Corona. The difference between genus Heterolepis and genus Corona is their second ana spine and gill record. This is a useful method for exploring pattern of variation in multivariate dataset, but this method are not suitable for to find difference among groups. The main key to species of Cyanidae in this study is second ana spine length. This is my Gantt chart. Summary for this project is 9 species of 6 genera of cyanid species have been caught and identified. Overall, this study are very important to supplementary taxonomy of evidence for the cyanids in Malaysia, and further taxonomy studies need to be done to provide more precious data for future references. This is my references. Thank you. That's all from me.